Have you ever found yourself in a situation where the exact legal meaning of a constitutional provision was unclear, creating uncertainty about your rights or actions? Imagine needing a definitive answer from a court before a potential dispute even escalates. A declaratory judgment in constitutional law is a formal court ruling that clarifies the legal rights and obligations of parties without ordering any specific action or awarding damages. Essentially, it is a judicial declaration of an existing legal status or relationship, particularly as it relates to the United States Constitution. This type of judgment helps resolve legal uncertainties and prevent future disputes by providing a binding interpretation of the law. The core mechanism behind a declaratory judgment is to offer legal certainty. Courts issue these judgments to declare what the law is, especially when constitutional principles are at stake, and where there is a genuine controversy between parties. It is not about punishing someone or compelling them to do something, but rather about definitively stating the legal position of a matter. For instance, if a new state law appears to infringe upon First Amendment free speech rights, individuals or organizations might seek a declaratory judgment to determine the law's constitutionality before arrests or injunctions occur. This preemptive judicial intervention is crucial because it allows parties to understand their rights and responsibilities under the Constitution without risking a violation or suffering harm first. It builds credibility by showing the court's role in upholding and interpreting fundamental legal frameworks. Practically, seeking a declaratory judgment often involves a party demonstrating a real and immediate legal controversy, not just a hypothetical question. For example, a business might challenge a new regulation they believe violates the Equal Protection Clause before incurring significant compliance costs or penalties. A citizen group could seek a declaration on the constitutionality of a voting law prior to an election. This means understanding that the court must have jurisdiction over the matter and that there is an actual dispute that requires resolution. It is a powerful tool for proactively asserting constitutional rights and having them affirmed by a court, helping to guide future conduct and avoid costly litigation down the line. It serves as a judicial roadmap for navigating complex constitutional questions. A key insider detail regarding declaratory judgments is their discretionary nature. Even if all requirements are met, a court retains the discretion to grant or deny a declaratory judgment. This is often guided by factors such as whether the declaration would truly resolve the uncertainty, if another adequate remedy is available, or if the case involves important public policy considerations. Furthermore, these judgments contribute to the doctrine of ripeness, which dictates that courts will not hear cases that are too premature or speculative. They ensure that constitutional questions are addressed when they present a concrete dispute, allowing for robust legal analysis without premature judicial entanglement. Understanding declaratory judgments means recognizing their vital role in shaping our constitutional landscape. By allowing courts to clarify rights and responsibilities before harm occurs, they empower individuals and organizations to operate with greater confidence within the bounds of the Constitution. This proactive judicial tool fosters stability, encourages compliance with constitutional mandates, and ultimately strengthens the rule of law, ensuring that foundational principles are upheld through clear and authoritative legal pronouncements.